What's up, guys? Here is what I'm going to turn in for lecture 3. And I basically made the same format for each page. And it's about an animal, and it has a YouTube video on it. And it also has 2 links to go to the other pages. So I'll give you guys the code for this, and you guys can change up your style to whatever you want. And when I click on page 2, it should take me to the second page. And the server's having some issues. So this is what it's supposed to look like. I think it takes a while to update. So this is page number 2. It's on cows. And then again, the server is having some issues and I've been having to refresh it. But so I did one on lizards, one on cows, and one on fish. When you look at your file manager, you should have under, my name is Mr. Miyagi. I have lecture 2 and I have lecture 3. I have 3 pages that are separated. I'm going to share with you guys this code. So I'm going to extract this whole thing. Let's see if we can do that. Compress to a zip archive. And I'm going to give you guys these. Let's see if it shows up. Here it is. And I'm going to give you guys this on the class. But here's the video. You got to check out for a couple things on the code. So when you open this up, it will look like this because it doesn't have the CSS in there right now. I want to open it with Sublime. I got to extract it. Oops, that's not what I want to do. Let's look at my downloads. I'm going to extract them to the desktop. So when I open this up, you're going to be able to see that this file, I'm going to open it with Sublime Text. I want you to take a good look. This is like the file you're going to need, the code you're going to need for each page, and then just adjust it. Really look at this part right here. These are the links, these A tags, and you have to make sure you set them up right.